Welcome to the Tron Infinity. The website is www.troninfinity.world. This concept is based on Tron blockchain technology, and Tron blockchain technology is the fastest blockchain network which launched by Justin Sun in 2017. Now this blockchain technology is very fastest TPS in the world, and this is a public blockchain where everyone can write smart contracts. So in starting, Bitcoin price was so much high. Now Tron is increases 200 times more than the initial price. So you can invest in Tron. If you want to earn maximum Tron, you can directly join with the smart contract troninfinity.world. Troninfinity.world is a crowdfunding platform where you invest normal supply of Tron and you can earn lots of Tron in lakhs or in crores. So it depends upon how much you will develop your team in network marketing. This is the decentralized network based project. So there is no admin, no rule of thumbs here. Now you can enter in the decentralized projects of Tron smart contracts. So please understand the plan. This is the basic plan. Joining package with 90 Tron. In first level, 2 members will come. The turnover is 180 Tron. The upgrade fees was 120 Tron and income is 60 Tron. Now you are in second level, 120 Tron. 4 members will be come in that level. The total turnover is 480 Tron and upgrade fees is 280 Tron. Income is 200 Tron and 50% is goes to the sponsor. 288 Tron and 190 Tron is the super level income. So there is total 8 level in this binary matrix program, and in 8 level your total turnover is 68,17,300 Trons and you will earn here 67,78,500 Tron. This is the 8 level chart of this package. Now come to the next income. Super level income is goes to the 10 level. For example, 50% distribution in super level. For example, 280 Tron distribution is 140 Tron as 50% and divided by 10 level is 14 Tron in that all levels. These all benefits you will earn after third level. So super level income will generate after third level accordingly. Now come to the 10th level income chart. For example, in first level 3-member team package 1 270 Tron you will earn here, and in package 2 from starting 120 Tron you will earn here 144 Trons, and from package 3 you will earn here 42 Tron, and after package 3 all level income up to 10 level will be open. In second level 9 members, third level 27 member, up to 10th level 59,049 members here, and income will be in third package 12,40,000 accordingly, and similarly like fourth package 39,85,740. So you can check up to 8 package. There's total income mentioned in 10th level calculation chart. Now come to the next income. After completion of third level, the global community third level smart matrix is open, and in smart matrix you will earn lots of income. So after smart matrix opening, the entry will 50 Tron and turnover is 1200 Tron and income is 400 Tron. In second level there is total 9 members, 7200 turnover here and total income is 7600 Tron, and 20% like 100 Tron is goes to the sponsor which direct you in this system. After that pooling system will be start, and in auto pool system first one is Mini Auto Pool 1 which start from 200 TRX and total 5 people will become in that pool and you will earn 800 TRX, and pool 2 400 TRX is starting package 600 Tron here your total income. After fourth level the next matrix is open, so you will enter in next matrix which is silver matrix, and you will enter in that matrix and earn lots of Tron. 2000 entry in that matrix and you will earn 28,500 in the 2 levels. So accordingly all the matrix work like same which I told you last one, matrix and pools. So guys, the concept is very good. You can join this plan and accordingly lifetime this plan run in a smart contract and you will earn lots of Tron in this wonderful project. The best things in this concept, there are multi types of income you will earn from matrix and pool, which is the one of the latest program in the Tron blockchain. So guys, check the description. There is mention all the plan details, contact number. You can direct contact to the troninfinity.world leaders. So thank you so much.